Oh no, when they see him, they see him.
I don't think they can see him. I think they can hear him. They might be able to see him, but I think they can hear him for sure because he's going.
Oh my god!
Yeah, he's got to be going 60 miles an hour.
Look how scary that is, man.
Crazy. I've never seen something like that in Louisiana.
That's in New Orleans, bro.
If he ever goes to hell, I'll be there waiting for him. Just do that. We were spitting some shit at him.
Sometimes I beat some that's such a feat. Yeah, do it with the feet. I shoot and ski. No shake my hand or reach. I'll throw the beats. I go to sleep and show my reach. Ask for treats. Silent sweep. Fill my wrath of peace. It's my greed. Spinning round my head. Go Fred. Leave it red. Made it red. All the blood I bled. All the bud I'm breaking bread. Through a flood and now I'm dead. Hear a thud. It's time to shed. My outer showing through a living hell. Now I'm here to dwell in my cell. Steady yells. All that you can spell. Made of a depressing cell. Haven't reached my perfect cell. Powered up. I don't feel well. Throwing up. I'm a f***ing tell.
It should be my meat. Then I go right to sleep.
Okay, we're gonna get right on in with the episode. Welcome back to another fruitful, phenomenal, fantastical, overzealous, amazing episode of the Broke Knock Life podcast. Episode number 83, where we beat our meat
and we go to sleep. I gotta Google what a sugar sandwich is.
Oh man,
I'll tell you what.
I missed this fucking podcast.
Apparently, it's a real thing. Sugar sandwiches.
What do you mean, like bread and sugar and bread?
Yeah, I Googled the my neck and my back scene from Friday, and then so I scrolled on down and saw this. Someone asked, "What is Smokey eating in Friday?" So I started reading it, and apparently it's revealed in deleted scenes that Craig's dad is eating grapes at the beginning of the movie, and that Smokey is eating a sugar sandwich while they're high and watching music videos.
Dude, you gotta be some type of high to just like
sugar, like
put out 2 pieces of bread and be like, pour that sugar on there. Whoa. Okay,
there's no way that can taste good.
Well, thank God we're not running FL Studios because look what's happening behind you. All right, we're back in the sack. I think I did the intro, and then now all we have to do is the
Sometimes I beat some that's such a feat. Yeah, do it with the feet. I shoot and ski. No shake my hand or reach. I'll throw the beats. I go to sleep and show my reach. Ask for treats. Silent sweep. Fill my wrath of peace. It's my greed. Spinning round my head. Go Fred. Leave it red. Made it
the
red.
burping
All
algorithm
blood
is
I
back
bled.
with
All
us,
the
by the
blood I'm
way.
breaking bread. Through a flood and now I'm
I've
dead.
been having
Hear a
some
thud. It's
gas
time to
lately.
shed. My outer showing through a
Let it out. The
living
people
hell.
want
Now
it.
I'm here
It's
to
usually been
dwell
coming
in
out the
my
other
cell.
end.
Steady yells. All that you can
I don't know if you
spell.
want me to
Made
put
of a
the mic
depressing
down there.
cell. Haven't
Might give you pink eye.
need a fucking fart mic. Okay, we're gonna get on with the Dak Attack with the Mac at the back of the sack, and then we're gonna get on with the episode. We got a Gramps Basement and a Reddit segment for y'all today, and then yeah, trying to hear if I can hear that fucking power feedback, but I think we're good. So this is BC3, a new Dak Attack with the Mac at the back of the sack from SoundCloud. Go check them out. Tides.
Big cock 3.
Big cock 3. Triple big cock.
Oh shit.
Triple big cock. Dude, where
It's
did
about 10 times the size of mine.
We got so many orders to do. Fucking shirts. Churches, bro. They want them Easter shirts. ASAP.
You should put a little Satan tag.
Like on the we do size tags.
Yeah.
Do like a little devil horn above the small, medium, large.
Or put down here. Put like way down here. Made in part by Satan.
They would throw a fit. There would be riots.
I guarantee they wouldn't even see it.
Yeah, but when they do,
Be like, I don't know what happened, man.
I've been wearing this for a year.
It's the work of the devil, bro. I don't fucking know how I got there.
Maybe if y'all went to fucking church more, this wouldn't pop up on your shirts. Pussy. What?
You must be doing something bad in your life. What are you doing after you go to church?
Hold on. Let me see if I can.
Hello?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Can you tell Tyler his phone came in?
Yeah, I'll go look outside. It got delivered today?
It's at his mom just texted me. It's at her house.
Wait, what?
It got delivered to his mom's house.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I was saying, could you tell Tyler? Cause
I thought you said you wanted me to go check on it.
no,
Check and
my
see if
bad.
it's there. I'm like, bro, I'm not driving to Tyler's mom's house.
No.
You out of your goddamn mind.
Yeah, she said it's over there, so he can go pick it up.
Okay, bet. I don't think he. You haven't heard anybody come in yet, huh? Oh, you're on the podcast, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What up? How we doing, my Pete?
Everybody wants to see you again. We're about to watch a video of a guy making a rap song about doing gardening.
What the fuck?
I need you to come prepared next time.
I'm actually pretty curious to hear that.
Yeah. So
Yep.
y'all were at a concert, and then someone pickpocketed him.
Some crook pickpocketed him.
And that's what he
They
fucking
had a
took.
whole operation out there. It's like they had a room with a bunch of Americans' faces on it, and they picked out the one that was the most innocent looking and got Tyler.
Wait, and tell Morgan what happened after. Like like the retaliation.
Oh, so I see Tyler arguing with this one dude. So I go over there. I'm like, dude, what's wrong? And he's like, this dude just stole my phone. I'm like, wait, what? He's like, this guy right here just stole my phone. And I was like, whoa, okay. So then me and him start going at it. And then Raheem comes up, starts, coming in. And then Vivian and then KB. And then we're just circling around this dude, just putting the fear of God in him. Telling him that our dad's in the CIA. Like, if he ever comes to America, we'll make sure if his name is run through the system, he's fucked. And he's going to live a short life. And if he ever goes to hell, I'll be there waiting for him. Just do that. We were spitting some shit at him.
Dude, that I would be too. That's a brand new iPhone 13, man.
Oh, that's the one that
Yeah.
got stolen.
Yeah.
13?
Yeah.
Like you
shit.
just got it.
Why would someone steal an iPhone that you can't fucking resell? You can't resell iPhones nowadays. They're all locked with your Apple
Who
ID.
knows?
Like,
But
even
I
if you
doubt
wipe
that
it, you
dude-
have to know the original Apple ID that was on it after you wiped it.
Maybe that's why he returned it, because he's like, fuck, this is one of them newer phones that I can't fucking crack.
You take a fucking wallet and go on a spinning spree with a credit card for a little while. I mean, shit. Stealing is bad.
No. Steal all you want. Fuck it. Just don't get caught. And if you do, don't do the time. Run. All right, bro. But I think Tyler just got back.
All right.
I'm gonna text him because we got to finish this episode.
Why are you
Yo,
going to text
yo.
him if he doesn't have a
Man.
phone?
This is not one of my smartest moments. You know,
Bro,
this
I did
this
that
ties.
so much during the trip. I was
Well,
like,
dude.
Tyler, just Venmo me and we're good. He's like, yeah, I would if I had a phone. Like, yeah, bro.
You want to know something even more embarrassing that happened to me today?
What?
So I wear like a tank top at work because I'm dealing with heaters and shit. I do like an 8 to 4 shift, right? So at
Right.
3:30, my boss came up behind me. He's like, "Yo, your shirt's inside out." I was wearing my tank top inside out and dealing with customers and clients and talking with them all day,
The entire
and I was looking like a fucking idiot, like a big idiot.
You look like a bum.
Like a phone.
Oh man, good times, bro. Sometimes.
So wait, Kingsley, y'all went to Tijuana?
Yep, never again.
Tijuana, Mexico. Did you get any strippers?
Bruh.
Any hookers?
No, when he got his phone stolen, we didn't have the opportunity.
I would've
It
been
ruined the whole.
Well, yeah, Tyler couldn't have paid, so.
Damn, man.
So-
No prostitutes.
Yeah, I know. Apparently it's legal down there.
Yeah. Dude, Bobby tells stories about him in Tijuana all the time. He said it's
I
so
was
easy.
really hoping to see one of those donkey shows, the infamous donkey shows.
What?
Is that where a woman gets fucked by a donkey?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I'd probably pay money to
Wait,
see
it's
that.
like a...
No, I mean, I wouldn't pay for it, but I thought they just do it, on the street,
Nah, man, you
Just
gotta pay.
like-
You gotta pay for that.
I wouldn't pay for it,
Oh,
but
fuck
if
that.
it's happening and
I'll
right
watch.
next to me, I'm gonna watch it. Oh man.
Just to be like, all right, I definitely experienced all of Mexico.
I mean, shit. You watched Two Girls, One Cup and the Pain Olympics. I mean, shit. You can handle that shit, bro.
Yeah.
You'll be all right. One guy, one jar.
But he
you
hadn't
know.
seen Asshole Wars.
I haven't seen Asshole Wars either.
It hadn't come out yet.
All right, bro.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna let you go. We're gonna get on with this episode.
No, I didn't. I was
All right, bro. I'm gonna let you go.
all right, later.
All right, peace out. This.
Spell red.
Red, L-S-T-E-R.
That's the first calming down thing. And then start of the Gramps Basement. Dude, like I told you before, the last video is gonna make you fucking laugh, bro. It's an update on someone.
Oh shit. Oh, did you see? It may have been the second video that I sent you from the Reddit stuff. Did you look at any of them?
I have them all.
Yeah, but did you watch any of them?
I think I've seen some of one of them, but the other two I don't.
Okay, I'll just tell you.
The BREN.
Yeah, okay, you saw that one?
Yeah.
Okay, I fucking cackled at that one because the dude fucking, yeah, we'll watch it.
Yeah, dude, it's great. It's fucking amazing. I follow him on the talk. Roll the film.
Started on you a garden yet? Let me see if I can influence you to do so, you feel me? Straight up. It's time to start on you a garden, baby. Ay, I promise it will be your therapy. Ay, and if you run into some problems, baby, hey, just know that you can call on me. Ay,
What's your number?
it's time to start on you a garden, baby. Ay, I promise it will be your therapy.
Dude, look at the picture.
Ay, and if you run into some
Look how
problems,
happy
baby,
he is.
Hey, just
He's-
know
he's
that you
spitting the
can
truth.
call on me. Hey, I start up a garden. I'm putting them seeds down in the dirt. Don't know what to call it, but it's my therapy when I'm hurt.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Okay.
we're starting to kick it. That should have been a 3-minute one.
That
should've
was
been a
worthy
3-minute one.
of a 3-minute talk.
That should have been a 3-minute talk. Bastard.
I love it. On to the next one.
Wait,
Oh yeah.
shit-
So
look, there's a fucking.
Oh yeah.
you've probably seen this. So we had some
Yeah, this is
tornadoes recently in fucking
crazy.
Texas and one in Nola near the 9th Ward.
Really? There was a fucking tornado out there?
It killed one person and like destroyed a fuck ton of shit.
That's exactly what they need.
Dude, in the 9th Ward, man, everything is already fucked, and then they get a tornado in New Orleans.
Yeah, apparently the 9th Ward is still bad from Katrina.
Yeah.
How long ago was Katrina now?
2005. It's so fucked. And dude, you could probably still see.
That's 17 fucking years ago.
You could probably still see the plywood and the spray paint marking the dead bodies.
Holy fuck. I know you can still see like blue tarps on houses.
Yeah. I know like 3 years ago. Yeah, whenever I went to Mardi Gras, I remember, I don't know where the fuck I was. I was really fucked up during Mardi Gras in Nola 3 years ago. And I remember seeing the plywood and the shit and the houses still being fucked up.
That blows my mind.
Yeah.
Like,
But anyway, we had fucking windstorms. Texas had a bunch of tornadoes. And apparently, this is from the perspective of another car watching the tornado hit down. And, well, you're about to see what.
yeah, this fuck. I've never seen something like this.
That's fucking.
Except for maybe in a movie.
It's like I was just about to say that. Only in an action movie would this happen, like Fast and Furious 10.
Or like a James Bond movie. Like something outrageous.
Wait, that shit. Look, there's a fucking truck in it. There's a fucking truck. It just.
That's
flipped
crazy.
Over.
The
It's
truck.
spinning on its
Yeah,
side.
it's spinning on its side.
Landed on his fucking wheels.
And then he just sat there for a second. Said, "Am I good?
Drove the fuck off.
Am I good?
That's the best Chevrolet
Did I shit
commercial
myself?"
ever.
And then
Oh
he,
my
yep.
God, like a
Look at him.
fucking rock. Oh my God.
Imagine being in that truck, bro.
I just love.
Drove the fuck off. That's the best Chevrolet commercial ever. Oh my God, like a fucking rock.
That's why you buy GM, motherfucker. That's why you buy GM. Stop buying this shit Toyota.
That dude played this video for your advertisement.
I'm saying. I was trying to. Did you see that meme of? I think it's that England turning whatever waterway green because of St. Patrick's Day, and below that it said the fish waking up in the morning. And it was just green everywhere.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Yo, bro. Is it fucking 5 p.m., bro? I slept all day, bro. It's like, yo, you go to work? Nah. Oh, man.
You guys are working?
Oh, my God. I think I got another weather video, actually. We're back after the break, by the way. Morgan got another line of LASIK.
Yeah, no shit. Oh, my God!
Amazing. Oh, see the okay. So I did put it in here. This is the tornado near 9th Ward in Nola.
Holy shit, dude!
Look how scary that
That's
is, man.
Crazy. I've never seen something like that in Louisiana.
That's in New Orleans, bro.
Not a tornado. I've never seen a tornado.
Me neither. I've seen a water spout forming while we were driving on the Pontchartrain, but nothing like that, bro.
I've seen like
That's ripping through the 9th Ward.
yeah, I've seen like 3 water spouts in the Gulf before.
That's scary.
Like while we were on a boat.
That's so scary to me.
Like 3 of them.
That's
at the same time.
That would scare the shit out of me.
I wasn't freaking out because I could see land,
Yeah.
and I knew if I could see land, I don't give a fuck how tired I am. I know I can make it back.
I'm gonna make that shit.
I'm making it back.
I'm making it, bro. I ain't dying, bitch.
I know I can make that shit. If I can fucking see land, I know I can make it.
Fuck, bro.
But-
It's just the sheer, like...
Like going you deep sea fishing? Nope. Keep it. Nope. I'm not drowning. Nope. I'm not drowning. I swear to God.
Stop.
I drowned in one of my past life, and that's why I'm so terrified of like deep water.
What's that game?
Subnautica.
Yeah.
Oh, I followed mechanophobia, something like that on Reddit.
Yeah.
And they've got some fucking pictures, and I'm like, y'all are fucking maniacs, man.
Dude,
Especially these like deep sea welders. Yeah, I saw one get attacked by a shark, a welder, and he was like, "Nope, no, I'm good. You in the shark's house. That's why he bit you."
I don't know why dude. It explains why I got so scared in Subnautica. There was so many times where I was actually scared and like I had to stop because my heart rate was just.
I can't do water.
Because like I'll go all the way down and it's just like all quiet and you can't see anything around you, and then all of a sudden you can look up and see like a big fucking shadow coming to. Nah.
You in a different dimension in the water, man.
Nah, dude, you are.
You're in a different dimension in the water, man.
Fuck that.
That's the closest thing you can actually get to seeing a real dimension, besides smoking DMT. Because you can go up, down, left, and right in water.
DMT and deep sea fishing.
Yeah. Could you imagine being a fish? Like you float your entire life. You can go up, down, left, or right.
You have free reign.
My ass is stuck down.
Yeah, dude, you can just fucking float and just do whatever the fuck you want. Just zoom.
And if you're like a dolphin, you fuck with everything.
You rape.
That too. Yeah,
Dolphins are rape.
Yeah, you can.
Dolphins are fucking rapists, man.
They rape. Yeah, don't. I do know they fuck around with pufferfish.
Mm-hmm. Like for fun.
Yeah,
They like bully them.
because it gets them high. He's like, "Come here, you little fucker. I'm gonna rub your ass against my nose. Come here, you little bitch. You make me feel funny. Come here."
Yo, dude.
Did you put your nose in that pufferfish's butt? Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you? Go do it. I swear to God. Try it out.
And then they see what Kenny saw whenever he got the cat piss in his face.
Big titties. Tig old bitties.
Boobage.
That's it.
Boobage. All right, I don't know what order I have the rest of the shit in. I just know that the last video, I'm gonna stop talking about it.
Didn't think that was McDonald's chicken nuggets and fries on my plate.
What?
Cause I know you
Is that
thought it was.
vegan?
Stop gaslighting me. You don't know what I was thinking.
He's so unamused.
It's like, listen here, bitch.
Stop gaslighting me. You don't know what I was thinking.
Motherfucker.
Play it again.
Fucking bitch.
Didn't think that was McDonald's chicken nuggets and fries on my plate. Cause I know you thought it was.
Stop gaslighting me. You don't know what I was thinking.
He's so fucking serious. It's like
He's so unamused.
he thinks that lady was specifically talking to him, and he was responding to her like, "Bitch, you don't fucking know what I'm thinking."
She was talking to him.
He's responding to her.
Exactly. She got the response. Stop gaslighting him. You don't know what that motherfucker was thinking?
Stop gaslighting me, bitch.
That's right, lady.
Lady.
Let me tell you twice, lady.
Went outside.
What the fuck?
Let me preface this a little bit. So,
Nah.
one of the boys on boys' night got did a little side quest with a lady, and they were caught right after fucking in a car.
Is it a lady or is it a ladette?
We'll let you decide.
Okay. I may have to explain what I mean by ladette.
I think
ladette.
I think I know what you mean.
Okay.
Went outside. Show you.
Y'all got a problem?
Oh!
Y'all got a problem? He's dying. Oh! Dude. Is that what you meant? Dude, you know who that looks like? That looks like that fucking tranny from Trailer Park Boys. You know what I'm talking about?
I forget his name.
Oh shit, dude! I'm putting a side by side comparison.
God damn it. Donna.
Donna from fucking Trailer Park Boys. It's exactly who that is.
I want this one. You gotta do this one.
Y'all got a fucking problem?
Man.
That's great.
You know, honestly, at this point in my life, if I could get some booty, I'd be fine.
There you go.
I'd be fine. Not with that though.
Get some Donna booty.
Not Donna booty, but whatever that booty is.
Y'all got a problem? Booty.
Honestly, at that point, no. At this point in my life, no.
It's just the voice, man. Come on, don't talk like that. Stop having that. hear the fucking.
And he's so just.
Dude,
knows.
he is covering his face.
I got a problem.
Dude, you know they joked about that until they all passed out that night.
Oh, no doubt.
That was never leaving the conversation.
Listen to his exhale.
He's gasping for air. He laughed until no more oxygen could come out.
No more breath in him.
Oh, man.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh,
That
okay.
was chaotic. Oh, I seen this.
This is somewhat along the lines. Here, you want some booty? Get some booty.
No, I'm okay. I'm following this guy. I'm following this guy. Let's roll it. Because I'm following him.
Oh, no. Oh. Oh!
I love how he's just out. Hey, did you notice this? Because I saw this on Reddit. So, check this out. So, as soon as the second he walks away, the music stops. The second he walks away from this chick, the music stops. Listen. The DJ stopped the music.
No. That's part of the song.
No, the DJ, you can hear him in the background saying, "Y'all,
hold on.
Yeah.
No, that's a part of the song.
Oh, that's a part of the song?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
damn.
Yeah.
Man, I thought the DJ had cut the music.
That would be fucking
Because the
funny as
caption
shit.
on Reddit was, even the song knew it was time to go.
Dude, that is like the most perfect coincidence that you could have.
I mean,
that's like the stars aligning and everything saying, get the fuck away from that. Dude, she's licking the inside of your ear, bro. Fuck that.
I mean, I'd be okay with that from someone, you know.
Not with meth mouth, bro.
Correct.
Dude,
I'd
she's
be
got
okay
fucking,
with a 10 doing that.
She's got like crystals on the tip of her tongue, bro. Oh my god.
That
dude, and she
whenever
like
I first
burped.
saw that,
She's like,
no, she was like growling, like
okay, I don't even
like sexual prowess.
I would rather her burp.
I don't know, one's just as bad as the other.
Look at that. God.
And she probably thinks, oh yeah, this motherfucker's coming home with me. I'm gonna get some young dick.
That's traumatizing.
That's fucking traumatizing. I'm not that desperate. I'm following suit. I'm out. OUT.
I'm out.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. 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 Motherfuck.
Forget everything you know.
Okay, so there's this new trend on the top. Everybody's been making fun of this girl's video and then just cutting it. Okay, let's just roll it because I made a rendition of it on the TikTok, on the TikTok channel.
Forget everything you know.
So the original video.
That's all they play off of.
Yeah, the original video goes like through like a full tutorial, and then everybody's cutting it to where it's just forget everything you know, and it's just, and then I did a rendition of it.
Please tell me it's on here.
Click
Is it
next.
at the end?
Click next.
Forget everything you know.
A beanbag, an ottoman. I mean, you gotta have furniture here. Period. The actual living room in a house is very important because that's where.
You look fucking possessed.
Pause it. We have reached the end. And this video is gold. The
Daddy Lalo.
Yeah, this is a video of Daddy Lalo. So please read me the comment that he's stitching or replying to.
Want me to braid your hair, culito? Your culito hairs again, gatos wangas. So do you understand what she's asking him right now?
No, I don't.
Do you want me to braid your ass hairs again?
That makes it even funnier. Okay, watch his reaction.
I want to preface this a little bit more. So culo is the male pronunciation of ass or butt, whatever. So she's saying right here, culito. Whenever you put ito at the end of a word in Spanish, it signifies little. So she's saying, you want me to braid your little ass hairs again?
You're making it funnier and funnier because I know what's about to happen. And I don't know if it's going to be funnier for you because you're prefacing it and you haven't seen it. All right, let's just
play it. Let's just roll it. Daddy Lalo, here we go.
He looks like he's going to cry.
Forget everything.
I've never seen him so fucking dumbfounded and so
He looks like he's about to start crying.
He can't even say anything, bro. Oh my god.
Let's translate some of this. I want to see what Nagatos mangas means. Oh, son of a fuck, you might be having internet problems again.
Oh, fucking amazing. That's why it's so funny, because he's so genuine. And it's such like it's genuinely concerning him. Oh, man. All right, let's get out of that shit. You better bet your ass he is going to be on this thumbnail.
Thank God.
Daddy, and it's going to be Daddy Lalo underneath. And I'm going to tag him. Take me off of your thumbnail. Take me off.
Only if you come on the podcast.
Dude.
And you have to come in person.
Oh my God, dude. That would be a dream come true.
And we have to do a TikTok live with you. I wanna dodge this fucking sunglasses with you. Get.
I don't know if I would be able to hold back my laughter seeing the comments come in, though.
I don't think so.
Because, dude, some of them, like that one. Like, what if you saw his reaction like that in real life?
I'd start laughing. Be like, Lalo, do I need you? Daddy Lalo, do I need to get you some water?
Dude, I'll kill you.
Huh? Papacita, do I need to get you some water? Papacita, huh? Should I get you some water?
Oh my God.
Papi Lalo?
What? Are those earbuds?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
I was reading one. Oh, man, I wish I would have sent you this one. It was with Lalo. He was on whenever you can do two people on FaceTime or live.
Mm-hmm.
And the girl was reading the comments. And the comment was talking about the last time Lalo twerked, and he literally just went.
It's like legitimately getting mad.
He's already lost.
Dude, I sometimes watch him whenever he's duetting. So, you know those like duet fights where it's just on TikTok you can go live with someone and then have like a like battle. And then he always goes like with these like hot ass girls.
Okay,
and,
so that's what I guess that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, there was like likes. It kind of looked like there was a competition going on or whatever. Or sometimes it's just two screens.
It kind of looked
depends.
like he was just, I don't know, almost like it was an online like dating thing. You know how Aiden Ross does his online dating things?
Oh yeah, with all those screens.
Yeah, with all the screens.
Yeah.
I thought it was something like that he was doing. I have no idea though. I'm not on TikTok, so I don't know. I get all my TikTok videos from Reddit because that's all that's on Reddit now. Is TikTok videos.
That's great, man. Dude, they have some great fucking content.
Everyone on Reddit hates on TikTok, but
that's all the content.
That's all the content. It's just TikTok videos.
Because all the content is going to TikTok.
Yeah, that's what everyone films and posts it on now.
Yeah, and everybody, I mean, it's the phone vertical, so easy to do. Right. Bam.
But I also, I forget what exactly. I had a specific example, but I can't think about it. But anyway, if it doesn't hit TikTok first, it usually hits probably 4chan first, and then Reddit will pick it up.
And then it'll turn into a meme, and then somebody will do something with that on TikTok, and then it'll circle back around.
Well, other people will post it on these other social media apps, and I hear about it like 2 days from the original time that I heard about it or saw it or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like, everyone steals their shit from Reddit. But everyone's stealing their shit from somewhere else.
Everybody's stealing their shit all the time.
Yeah, it's fucking full-blown chaos.
Yeah, I don't know. But speaking of Reddit, though, we have a fantastic Reddit segment. We did a spotlight on one of the videos that Morgan sent me on BREN. Yeah. So one of those we're gonna play, and then two of them I haven't seen. So
I think I save every single one of BREN that pops up on mine.
He's the balls and like the no fucks you have to give to do that.
It's to not be able to break character.
It's crazy, man.
Because I would break, especially with whenever you want to taste some of this, and he's fucking opening up a can of bleach.
After the introductions, like the wordplay introductions, I'd start laughing at myself. I'd be like, what the fuck did I just say to this dude?
Well, twist my molars. Some stupid shit like that.
Sometimes they're. I think it was the Red Robin one was really fucking long. Or there was some restaurant one that he went on for like 3 or 4 sentences, and I'm like, bro, okay. And they're just standing there like,
Are you gonna finish?
are you gonna finish the introduction and like go get on with what's happening here?
Who are you, guy?
Who are you, bro? But see if you can. I didn't order them. I don't think the BREN one is first, but we're gonna see how OBS handles this real quick. I might have to put a marker.
A closed file.
VLC has so many updates, but nothing for. It's an 83 on the desktop and Reddit segment.
See that shit?
All right, I'll give a little preface to this. This is what the fuck is going on?
I already see chaos, and it's just a little snippet.
Yeah, it's what the fuck is going on? Literally. Literally.
All right, take us through it.
All right, here we go.
See that shit?
All right, got a wreck.
Did we all just witness? Yes, we did.
I just saw
Oh, this is... Oh!
this dude jumping on the roof. What's up, dude?
What?
Oh, that's so...
Oh!
I guess I should have told you that.
What the fuck is happening right
This literally feels like a movie, man.
Yeah, check this out.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my god!
See that
Okay, so there's a wreck, and then
shit? Dude.
Did we all just
guys
witness?
standing right
Yes,
there.
we did.
Some dude running down the road from nowhere. Guys climbing on the roof to check it. Why is he on the roof to check it out? And then his buddy,
Oh! Folded.
not done.
That dude is knocked the fuck out.
Yeah, done.
And he just came down, checked on him.
Yeah, like everything's okay. Like he took the fucking stairs.
Yeah, check this out though.
Like he took the fucking stairs.
Uh,
All right, but since BREN wants to come on up.
oh wait. Go back to the other video.
Oh fuck.
It might have picked it up though. I want to see how it played.
See that shit?
Okay, yeah.
I think it was fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, check.
Okay, so that's a full one. That's weird how that's cropped. Okay, so this is BREN. We've done a spotlight on him. I think I remember this dude. I think this is like one of the first ones that made him fucking popular.
Is
So
it?
I don't remember this.
Is it because this is the only... Okay, I will say this. Out of every video I've seen from BREN, most people go along with what he's saying, like they know him.
Mm-hmm.
But no one, whenever he offers them to come out to the truck with him, no one ever goes with him. That's all I'm going to say.
Roll the film.
Yeah, check this out though.
I love how his fingers are fucking
That's a
red,
good
too.
time, let me tell you. You want to smell it?
And I love how he leaned
I can't tell
in.
if you're cool or not right now. I don't know.
Oh, I'm cool as shit, buddy. Dolphin Daff High Five.
Dolphin Delphi 5. Yes.
You want some?
This is the guy that actually goes along with
Wait, we're here on the
and
same
like
kind of
vibes
boat,
with
aren't
him.
we?
Yes.
It's made for finches,
think-
but humans can drink it too.
Listen to this shit.
Finches.
That's where you're from, Finland.
No, it's tuna juice. And it's made for finches, but humans can drink it too. You want a taste?
I'm a commercial fisherman.
Yeah.
Tuna's my thing to fish for, but like, what is this?
It's carbonated tuna juice. It's made for finches, but humans can drink it too.
Hey, people from Finland are humans too.
No, it's made for finches.
And he fucking drinks it.
Finches.
No, that's delicious.
Finches. It's made for finches, but humans can drink it too.
It's a finch.
It's a little bird. I have 10 of them.
Get the fuck out of here.
It's tuna juice, and it's made for finches, but humans can drink it too. Try this again. Can you smell it?
Is that that?
No.
You're not selling me a product right now, are you?
Of course not. I would never. It's got 69 calories. 69.
What beers the facts mean?
That's the company it comes from.
So there is alcohol.
There could be. Here, try this again.
I love how he fucking smells it every time.
That came from my old lady. I got 2 buckets of sardine paste in the trunk of my Accord if you want to meet me out there and dunk your head in it with me. Huh?
Wait, with you?
Yeah.
Is this really happening?
It's really happening.
I can't tell if you're gay or a salesman. I'm not sure. Are you a gay salesman?
You ever have pickled sphincter? Huh?
I'll eat that ass.
Oh, yeah.
This guy.
How's that?
It's weird because that one's better than that one.
BREN. Try this again. So you gonna meet me out there or what?
Please?
Yeah.
Please?
Where?
Out in the parking lot. We'll get real weird, real wild.
No, I can already tell. I
Yeah?
can already tell. You're like the dude I met on Craigslist. when I was 17.
Okay, this guy is
Yeah.
into some
How old
crazy
was he?
shit.
I don't even want to say. I can't tell if you're about to beat my ass or not.
No homo.
What do you drive?
A 2000 Honda Accord. And there's 2 buckets of sardine paste in there.
I don't want the sardine paste.
One for you, one for me. We'll dunk our heads in it.
Fuck all this.
Yeah?
Let's go.
All right, follow me.
I fucking love it.
That guy is great. I think I think he did something with him again or something along those lines because I remember seeing a whole bunch of comments saying this guy needs to show back up.
I mean, I completely agree. Here, try this again.
He did that like 5 times.
Yeah, every time. Here, try this again.
Yeah.
Sure.
And then it just continues the conversation.
Here, try this. And then at the end, yeah, fuck all this. Yeah, all right.
Fuck all that. He was like,
He was legitimately shopping.
literally
Like,
wanted
had-
to go with him.
Had shit in his buggy.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Come on.
2000 Accord? All right.
Come on.
I don't want the tuna paste.
Hey, man, people from Finland are people too.
That's so great.
Oh, this is delicious. Here, try that again.
Then after he had the sphincter drink, he's like, you know what? This one's actually better than this one. It's like comparing the two ridiculous ass drinks.
Can I get a 6-pack? Yeah, sure. Try this again. I love how his fingers were fucking red.
He stops mid-sentence every time, no matter what the fuck he's talking about.
Here, try this again.
All right.
Like it's a bump of Coke. Here, try this again.
Oh my
Sure.
god, that was great.
Sure.
Oh, I got lightheaded.
Gotta love it. And for BREN.
And for BREN is a fucking classic.
He's a maniac. Speaking of maniacs, all right, so this last Reddit video is pretty fucking wild.
All I saw was car going through fog.
Yeah, it's heavy, heavy fog. Heavy fog.
I get so fucking terrified in heavy fog.
I do too, but this is like we don't even get this kind of fog out here. Do you think when it's heavy fog in Louisiana, this is like 10 times?
Shit, let's see it.
This is fucking wild. It's crazy. So I did read the comments. Apparently this guy lived. So
Okay.
I will say
Okay,
that.
so you had so you saying that. Okay. Just roll
Apparently
it.
this guy lived. So just saying that.
Oh Christ.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. I
So
don't
these-
think there's any audio.
These people are telling them to
Yeah, I don't know what's
like,
going on.
Not go.
Well, they're
We'll play a little
trying to
back.
help someone. Yeah.
Wait, play that again. Play
had
that
to have
again.
been going like 60-something miles an hour. So I guess there's another wreck, and all these people are stopped on the interstate or something.
Oh no! When they see him, they see him.
I don't think they can see him. I think they can hear him. They might be able to see him, but I think they can hear him for sure because he's going.
Oh my god!
He's got to be going 60 miles an hour at the time of the collision. I mean, seriously.
At least.
I mean, right here is when he hits the brakes because you can see the truck fold forward. I'm going to back it up just a little bit. So maybe right here is when he hits the brakes because I can see the truck folding forward.
Oh my god! Oh
Yeah.
god!
Fucking crazy, dude. I hope there's no one in this vehicle.
I hope not.
But, I mean, that's fucking crazy.
It seems like that was the car that they got out.
That's fucking crazy, man.
That was a lot of destruction.
Yeah, I don't even know what... I guess this was a back dash on another semi, I guess?
Yeah, because it looked like the back glass got fucking annihilated. So the camera must be like inside pointing to the back of the...
Yeah, it must be like a rear dash cam.
That's like inside.
Yeah.
Bam, bam.
That's fucking crazy.
Oh.
And it's not slowed down. It's fucking crazy.
Where was this at?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
I
It looks
don't
like
know.
a crazy bridge.
Not in the States because look, they have European license.
Yeah, it looks UK-ish.
Maybe because UK has a lot of fog.
That's
fucking crazy, man. I'm just gonna leave that right there.
I'm just gonna cut that out and put it in the thumbnail.
No, just how about this?
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna do this and just crop.
Dude, yes. Yes. That's amazing. That's definitely going in the thumbnail.
And then you can add little airs as if I'm breathing in.
And then have the two cans like on each side of your head.
Pickled sphincter.
Have like a cancel mark on this one and like a check mark on that one. Oh my god.
It's tuna juice, but it's made for finches.
Did not get that.
It's tuna juice. It's made for finches, but humans can drink it too.
Come on, man. Finnish people are people too, bro. Is it Finnish?
Yeah, Finnish.
Because
they're from Finland. They're Finnish.
Yeah. Finlandish.
And I love after like the
Finlandish.
fourth or fifth time he repeats it. What's a finch? Like, motherfucker, I know you fucking heard me say finch each
Like
time.
a million times. Now you're gonna ask me what the fuck that is?
Now you fucking hear me say finch? You fuck? Here, go ahead. Take another hit.
From my old lady. It's fucking, and he kept doing it after that. He did it like 3 times after that. Fuck it.
Here, how about another one? How about another one of these?
I think the dude was fucked up.
Had that been. More people, apparently more people go to Walmart drunk than you think.
That explains so much. People fucking.
I mean, honestly, it does.
Because when I go there, I'm like right after work and I'm like zooming and I'm like trying to get my shit and I see people fucking like going in and out. I'm like,
Yeah,
bro, are
wheeling
you
and
going on
waddling.
here? I'm like having to say on your left like I'm riding a bike
Right.
through a whole bunch of. I'm like on your left, dude. I'm going.
I'm right here, you big fuck.
Fuck it, but I ain't got nothing left. We're gonna end the episode with that horrific crash that that apparently nobody got hurt in, right?
That's
All
what
right.
the comments said.
That's what we're going
Yep,
with.
that's the only thing we have to run with.
And we're gonna sprint with it. Fuck
Yep.
it.
Allegedly, everyone survived.
Allegedly, and we're gonna let Dak Attack with the Mac at the back of the sack allegedly bring us out with the BC3 track. I'm gonna play it for the outro, and thank y'all for watching.
Be playing it for your mama
and your daddy and your bald headed granny, bitch. When's the last time you heard that?
I was just about to say it's been forever since I heard the entire thing.
Hey, your bald headed granny. I'm like, bitch, my grandma's not bald. Wait,
she got fucking hair.
She doesn't. Shit. How'd you know? All right. Thank you, Dak, for bringing us out all these years. We're gonna have you on all these years. 2
Yeah.
years coming up.
That's plural now.
Sneak peek. Not right now though. All right, later.
Suck my deek.
Suck my deek. Go check out the new website. Actually, yeah, check it out because this is coming out Monday. I'll be done with it by then. I'm replacing the Linktree shit with our own website, so I ain't gotta rely on anybody
Buy our
else.
cryptocurrency.
Yes, the BK,
We promise we won't pull the rug.
the sack.
Yeah, we'll just flick the sack. We won't pull it.
We'll flick it and flick it. Let the gains come, and then whatever happens after that, it's not on us.
Yep.
Fuck y'all.
Speaking of flicking a sack and pulling sacks, my coworker yesterday wore shorts to work, and it was 55 degrees outside. He said, "Yeah, my dick getting smaller." I said, "You want me to pull it back down for you? I can stretch it out."
Stretch it like
Stretch that motherfucker out for you. Dude, just like that.
What did you say to that?
Nope. No, it's okay.
Nah, bro. No.
Nah, it's okay.
All right. Fuck y'all. Later.
Like, subscribe, flick the ding, dong.
And yeah, later.
Go eat food. Drink water while you watch this.